Morning, students. So today we'll complete two more questions. The remaining two questions of exercise 2.2. I have completed 6 questions. So the seventh question is to find 1 by 2 of 1 by 2 of, in that the first question is 2 3 by 4. Again for the same fraction we need to find for 4 2 by 9. Okay, see here. 1 by 2 they have given you. 1 by 2 of means you know that it is into. Okay, 1 by 2 into 2, 3 by 4. Next what you have to do, 1 by 2 you keep as it is. Into 4 2s are, you have to convert this in improper fraction. It is a mixed fraction, you have to convert it into improper fraction. Okay, 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11 by 4. Now multiply the numerators. 1 11s are, it is 11. 2 4s are 8. Now you convert this in mixed fraction. This is an improper fraction. Again you convert this in mixed fraction. How to convert this in mixed fraction? You know this. Okay. 8 1s are 8. So 3 is remaining. So how we will write this in mixed fraction? First you have to write the quotient, then the remainder, then the divisor. That is 1 3 by 8 is the solution of this 2 3 by 4. Similarly, let us find for second one, that is 4 2 by 9. Take the same fraction, that is 1 by 2 of means again it is into 4 2 by 9. Next 1 by 2 into, again convert it into improper fraction. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 2 is 38. 38 by 9. Okay. So 1 38s are 38. 2 9s are 18. Now again it is an improper fraction. Again you convert it into mixed fraction. 38 divided by 18. So 18 2s are 36. 8 minus 6 is 2. So again in a mixed fraction you write it as 2 by 18. So this is the solution of this second one. Next, same problem, it is solve this one. This is homework for you. For the fraction 5 by 8 you have to find for 3 5 by 6 and 9 2 by 3. Next, eighth question is Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Okay, Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. Of the water means out of 5 liters she consumed 2 by 5 liters of the water. Next, Pratap consumed the remaining water. So, the first question is how much water did Vidya drink? Their mother gave them a water bottle means it is her mother gave one water bottle which contained 5 liters of water. In that 5 liters, Vidya drank 2 by 5. 2/5 of the fraction she drank. Okay, now they have asked how much water did Vidya drink. They have given you in fraction, so we need to find in liters. Okay, so what is the total quantity of water? Total quantity of water was 5 liter. Okay, total quantity of water was is equal to 5 liters. Next, we need to find how much water did Vidya drink. Out of 5 liters, she drank 2/5 of the fraction. Means it is 2 by 5 of 5. Okay, of means I have already told it is into 2 by 5 into 5. As here multiplication sign is there, so we can cancel these two. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So how much she drank? 2 ones are. Therefore, Vidya consumed or Vidya drank 2 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 liters of water out of 5 liters. Okay. So in that, the second question is, what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? In the first question, we found about how much how much Vidya consumed the water. She consumed 2 liters of water. So total was 5 liters. Vidya consumed 2 liters, means obviously Pratap should have consumed 3 liters of water. But here the question is, you have to find in fraction. What fraction of total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Okay, see so total how many liters? 5 liters. How many bottles were there? There was only one bottle. 1 minus how much did Vidya drink? 2 by 5. We need to find in fraction, so we are taking in fraction. Okay. Next here the denominators are different. Again we need to take the LCM of 1 and 5. So 1 keep as it is, 5 ones are 5. Therefore LCM is 5. Next multiply this by 1 by 1 into 5 into 5 minus 2 by 5. To make this 5, we have to multiply this by 1. Okay. So 1 5s are 5. 1 5s are, again it is 5. Next 2 ones are 2. 5 ones are 5. Now we got the denominator same. Hence we can subtract directly. That is 5 minus 2 by 5. That is 3 by 5. So Vidya consumed 2 by 5. Pratap consumed 3 by 5 liters of water. Therefore, Pratap consumed 3 by 5 liters of water. Okay. Now let us go to exercise 2.3. In that the first question is, find 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, 3 by 5 and 4 by 3. Okay, it is similar to the last problem. See here, 1 by 4 of, you have to take this fraction, of means it is into. Next let us take first one, it is first one. First one they have given 1 by 4. Now let us multiply it. 1 into 1 divided by 4 into 4. That is 1 ones are 1. 4 into 4 is 16. So 1 by 16 is the solution of first one. Similarly, second one, they have given you 3 by 5. Take this fraction only. 1 by 4 of mean, here of they have given. So it is into 3 by 5. Now let us multiply the numerators. 1 into 3 and the denominators are 4 into 5. 1 3s are 3. 4 5s are 20. If you can reduce it to the lowest form, you can reduce it to the lowest form. But this we can't reduce it. So keep as it is. Next C is 4 by 3. Again take the same fraction, that is 1 by 4 of into 4 by 3. Multiply the numerators. 1 into 4 is 1 into 4 divided by 4 into 3. 1 4s are 4. 4 3s are 12. See now, this we can reduce it to the lowest form. 4 1s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So the answer is 1 by 3. Next, second one is similar to this. Solve this. 1 by 7 of 2 by 9, 6 by 5 and 3 by 10. For this fraction only, find the solution for all these fractions. So the second question in exercise 2.3 is multiply and reduce it to the lowest form if possible. If possible, then only convert the answer in mixed fraction or in the lowest form, or keep the answer as it is. Okay, first let us see the first one. 2 by 3 into, convert this mixed fraction into improper, that is 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 is 8 by 3. Okay, multiply this. Multiply the numerators. 2 8s are 16, 3 3s are 9. Okay, this is an improper fraction now. Now convert it into mixed fraction, because we can't reduce it to the lowest form. So convert it into the improper fraction. In improper fraction, 9 ones are 9, so 7 will be the remainder and 9 will be the divisor. That is 1 7 by 9 is the solution of this first one. I have not solved this in detail because I have already told how to convert the given improper fraction into mixed fraction and also the given mixed fraction into improper fraction. You know this. Next, second one is 2 by 7 into 7 by 9. Here you cancel here only directly. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. So 2 ones is 2, 1 nines is 9. 2 by 9 is solution of second one. This you need not convert a mixed fraction because it is a proper fraction. Only the improper fraction should be converted in mixed fraction. Okay, 2 by 9, and you can't reduce it to the lowest form also. So keep 2 by 9 as it is. Next, multiply this one. 3 6 are, take this 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. So multiply this, or you can cancel here only. 2 3s are, 2 4s are, better you multiply this. 3 6 are 18, 8 4s are 32. Okay, now cancel this. 2 9s are 18, 2 16s are 32. That is 9 by 16. This is a proper fraction, so don't convert in mixed fraction. Next, fifth one is 9 by 5 into 3 by 5. 9 3s are 27 divided by 5 5s are 25. Again, this is an improper fraction. Convert it into mixed fraction. 25 ones are 25. 2 will be the remainder. And again the divisor will be 25. 1 2 by 25 is the solution of fourth one. Next, these three problems are homework for you. Try these three problems. Let us end our today's session here. In the next class, let us solve the remaining problems of exercise 2.3. Thank you.